Okay, so this is number 14 from your test review, okay? I looked at this and wasn't sure if it needed a video or not, but I thought it'd just take a couple minutes here just to talk about the importance of the order in which you apply transformations to some graph. Question A is asking us, is the order of the transformations important? And we've discussed a number of times that it is. What I'm going to do here, though, first, just based on the words, like what the question has stated has happened to this parabola, I'm just going to write the function with those transformations in there so that we can talk about the order in which things actually happen. Okay, so for sure right now it looks like we've had a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. Okay, so that's going to turn this into y equals 2x squared. Okay, and then so that takes care of the first one. The translation to the 3 units right, so now that's going to look like this: 2x minus 3 squared, and then a translation 4 units down, so minus 4. Okay, so the order in which we do things is important from the standpoint that if you do the translations first, if I think it's easiest to convey if we translated something first and then say reflected it, that the graph's going to end up in a different spot than it should. Okay, and so what we've said a number of times is start here on the left and work your way from the left to the right. And so if you had something a little bit more complicated with like something like the -2, -3, sorry, -3 x minus 3 squared minus 4. You can see, like, start here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do your translations, which conveys the answer that they're saying in the back of the book to be that do the translations last. Okay. Is there a sequence in which you can perform the transformations that you can produce the same result? Yeah, I mean, like, you could do any of these first, I suppose, right? The vertical stretch or compression, the horizontal stretch or compression, and either of the reflections, but definitely like the order inside of that pink box doesn't really matter. But for sure, what you can't do is this work first, because that alters where the graph is, inevitably changing your end result when you go to reflect it and things. Okay, so just as a common practice, just start on the left and work your way to the right. Like what I might, yeah, start on the left, work your way to the right with the transformations.